Hello, my name is Harshada Dhananjay Patil. Today I have given presentation on graph coloring point and greedy algorithm. Here we go. So here are the contents of graph coloring point. So our first point is what is graph coloring? So basically graph coloring is the problem to assign colors to the certain elements of a graph subject to certain constants. So that is here are given the graph picture. Here are the vertices A, B, C and D. So from the condition of graph coloring, no adjacent vertices are using the same color. So we have to choose first A. So the adjacent vertices of A are C and E. No using same color for the adjacent vertices. Moving further, why do we use graph coloring? So basically, graph coloring refers to the property of some networks to have their vertex set consist of many subsets such that there are no connection between nodes belonging to same sets. So graph coloring is used to distinguish between membership to different sets. So terminology. First terminology, that is chromatic number. Chromatic number is the minimum number of colors required to properly color any graph. Then second one is k-chromatic graph. A graph whose chromatic number is k, this is called a k-chromatic graph. Then third and last terminology, that is coloring of graph. Coloring of graph assigns colors to the vertices that no two adjacent vertices have same color. Moving further, graph coloring algorithm. So there exists no efficient algorithm for coloring a graph with the minimum number of colors. Graph coloring is an NP-complete problem. So we have following greedy algorithm. So the greedy algorithm of graph coloring point is: first step, arrange the vertices of the graph in same order. Then choose the first vertex and color it with the first color. After completing the first two steps, step third is choose the next vertex and color it with the lowest numbered color that has not been colored on any vertices adjacent to it. If all the adjacent vertices are colored with this color, then assign new color to it and repeat this step until all the vertices are colored. So here we seen the greedy algorithm. Now in this figure the graph is there. Vertices are A, B, C and D. So we have to use the greedy algorithm in this figure. In below figure, at first vertex A is colored red, that is orange, and the adjacent vertices of A are adjacent, that is D and B. So here the color of B and D are green, that is green and blue respectively. So the vertex C is colored as a red, that is orange, that is no adjacent vertex of C is colored red, that is orange. Hence we could color the graph by three colors. Hence the chromatic number of graph is 3. So basically we have previously seen chromatic number means the minimum number of colors is used in graph by coloring. So the following figure, that is example of graph coloring. So here are the 5 vertices. They are colored by very different colors. So in this figure we have shown that is no two adjacent vertices are colored with the same color. Therefore it is called a properly colored graph. So there are many applications of graph coloring point. So there are few, that is first one is map coloring, second one is scheduling the task, third is preparing timetable, fourth is assignment, 5 is Sudoku game. Thanks.